Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to group columns in Google Sheet to keep your data organized and easy to navigate. First, select the column you want to group. Click and drag across the column letters at the top. For example, if you want to group column B to D, click and drag from B to D. Once your columns are selected, right-click on the column letter, then choose Group Columns B-D. Now you'll see a small minus button above the column. Click the minus button to collapse the group, hiding the columns. Click the plus button to expand them again. This helps keep your sheet clean and easy to read. If you need to ungroup the columns later, right-click on the group section and select Ungroup Columns. This will restore the columns to normal. And that's how you group columns in Google Sheet. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Google Sheets tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions.